Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I will going to teach you why coding skills are important in cyber security. So let's get started. What you will learn in this tutorial. You will learn what areas of cyber security require coding. Is Python good for cyber security? Which is more secure, Java or Python? Do hackers use Python? And then I will share final thoughts with you. So let's get started. What areas of cybersecurity require coding? The majority of entry-level cybersecurity jobs do not require coding skills. But, however, being able to write and understand code may be necessary for some middle level and upper level cybersecurity position that you will become qualified for after you have built a few years of experience. If you are interested in to make a career as an ethical hacker, cybersecurity, bug bounty and application security, knowing programming is necessary because you will be reviewing and testing code for vulnerabilities. The other areas don't require knowledge of programming, but it does make the things easier. Expertise in specific programming languages are essential to know how computers work. According to professional information, security executives programming is a must-need in cybersecurity because cybersecurity is all program-based. All of things needs to changes to existing programming by security professional. Let's move on. Is Python good for cybersecurity? To become a hacker, it is important for a person in the hacking field to learn more than one programming. There are many programming languages to learn, such as Python, Java, C++. It is essential for a hacker to learn more than one operating system. Python can extremely useful programming language for cybersecurity professional because it can perform a multitude of cybersecurity functions, including malware scanning, malware analysis, scanning with Nmap, and penetration testing. If you are asking, is Python good for cybersecurity? Yes, definitely. If you are talking about a person who's cracking program, breaching into server using exploit in program websites, and does everything on its own, then hacking without programming is almost impossible. Without programming, you wouldn't know how computers work exactly. Security hacker must know how computer programming work. Let's move. Which is more secure, Java or Python? Python and Java both are termed as secure programming languages. Yet Java is more secure than Python, because Java has advanced authentication and access control functionalities which keep the web application secure. I am not saying Python isn't secure, but Java has more functionalities than Python. Python in other areas are a better choice for to learn hacking. I will say with you earlier, Python is used for exploiting. You can write your own exploit in Python. The cybersecurity plays an excellent role in both languages because of its inbuilt libraries and features. And then, do hackers use Python? Yes, it's true that hacker uses Python programming language for hacking. Not only Python, they also use C, C++, Java, and Perl also in the list of hacking. Ethical hackers generally develop small scripts, and Python, being a scripting language, provide amazing performance for small programs. Now I will share final thoughts with you. If you are interested in learning Python in order to get into cybersecurity, keep in mind that your Python knowledge is only as useful as your cybersecurity knowledge in general. In other words, a Python expert that has no understanding of cybersecurity or system security and penetration testing tools will be unable to put that Python knowledge to use. As it relates to cybersecurity, being a solid cybersecurity professional that can use Python to your advantage means that you need to be well rounded in your knowledge and ability. Always strive to broaden your cybersecurity knowledge. I hope you learn something new in this tutorial. Thank you. Happy learning, and please like and subscribe my channel.